In all my years using AI, I haven't come across a logo generation app like this one, which we released about a week ago. I'll show you some examples of logos that it created. And remember, you're able to put text on the logo and it actually comes out successfully. Unlike the older AI platforms where the text would come out all jumbled, in this specific platform, you'll note that the text actually comes out correct, which is absolutely amazing. And that's quite new when it comes to AI. As we know, AI has a big problem with text. And so here we are solving the problem with this logo maker. So let's give it a try right now and have a look at some of the results that we can get from it. So over here, what would you like a logo of? A baby peeking out of a cracked egg. And the text on the logo should be Babyland. So as you can see, these are the kind of results you can expect. This is completely a usable result. I would probably use this one. This is cute, but it does say baby twice. And this is also very cute. I just don't like the font. I would probably go for this one in the middle. Let's move on to the next example. Delivery van, that's what the logo will be of, and the company name is Yellow Delivery. So as you can see, it's got the yellow here, which is kind of mixed in with the wheels. I don't like this one that much. This is quite cute. It's like a round logo. This would go well on Facebook because as you can see, it's a circle shape, and also the van is yellow, which kind of goes with the brand. This one's quite nice as well. And Yellow Delivery, just over here we do have some gibberish in the letters, but that's okay because in one generation we managed to get all of these results, and this one is probably usable. Let's click again just to do this in front of you and just see how quickly this logo generation platform actually works, so that you can just get a clue of the kind of results you can expect. So on this one we have an issue here with the text, so it's not always perfect, but you do get usable results. Let's try one more time. Hopefully we'll get better luck on this one. So here we are with the results. So this one's kind of messed up, but after that we've got this one and this one, and they all are pretty usable. I guess you can just keep generating until you're happy with the results. And of course, let's move on to the next example. A black bitten pear, and we're calling it Pear Limited, which is a new company which I just made up off the top of my head. And as you can see, these are the kind of results you can expect. So of course, with the white text going on the white background, you're not going to be able to see it. So you probably have to say, you know, make the text black kind of thing. Let's move on to the next example. It's the logo of a zoo, and the text is Cambridge Zoo. So as you can see, this is a fantastic logo. Even has like a background kind of effect, and this one isn't really clear enough. This is pretty good, just there's letters on top, and I would probably use this one for Cambridge Zoo. I think that's fantastic, even though it doesn't say the word zoo. So I guess this is probably the only one that's actually usable, and this one looks amazing. Even the font is incredible. Let's see, and that's all the examples we have for today. And this is also an instruction manual and also a video to show you how to use this. So Keyspin Art is a brand new site which we've built using our turnkey platform. A turnkey platform is a platform which basically lets you purchase AI platforms so you can also sell AI software. If you want more information, look in the description. If you want to own a platform like this, that's completely possible. You're going to be able to do that if you click on the turnkey link in the description. So the first link in the description is going to be for this tool, and the second link is if you want to create a tool like this and sell software similar to this. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.